My name is John and I'm 12 years old and my Korean name is Choi Ji-hoon. Today I will talk about my favorite entertainers. The first entertainer that I like is Yoo Jae-seok because he is always funny and he can run very fast. He has many programs, and my second favorite entertainer is Kim Byung-man. He has a jungle program, and he always hunts and climbs to coconut trees. His program is to live in jungle for 12 days. It is very good and I like this program. Someday I want to be like them because I want to make people happy and forget their problems. And thanks a lot to my teachers and all my friends for listening.